Time now for Trading Places. Joining us from the CME Group is Daniel Frishberg with Frishberg.com, and at the New York Stock Exchange is Dave Henderson with Raven Securities. All right, David, let me start with you. Wow, sure. Roller coaster ride this morning. What is the reaction on the floor to what we have heard thus far from Lehman Brothers?
Well, I think the reaction is, hey, no matter what they said, you knew it wasn't going to be good. So people are looking for somewhat of a technical bounce here this morning. And that's probably what we're going to get. But, a lot of damage was inflicted on the market yesterday, and they sold pretty much everything across the board. So people are basically sort of losing their confidence in the system. And, what they need to have is the confidence so that we can move on forward. And it has to do with all the financial stocks, obviously, and all has to do with the housing situation. And if and when we do finally get through all this, things should be okay down the road.
Daniel, would you agree, and does the spotlight need to remain on the financials?
Yeah, but you had a guy on a little while ago talking about go ahead and buy financials now because it's better than bonds. But the end of these bear markets where you get this catharsis, it often ends that way. And a lot of times that decline is more violent and bigger than the whole rest of the bear market that came before it. And so a lot of investors may jump in there a little bit early and get very badly hurt. Investors are not willing right now to assume risk. And you notice what happened? The futures this morning early were up 100. Because the Koreans aren't willing to buy Lehman Brothers, our investors completely lose confidence. 2 years ago, you were laughing at their cars.
Right. All right. Well, it's going to be a turbulent one at that. David and Daniel, thank you guys so much.